Okay, going to show you how to create a PDF out of InDesign. Um, this is a very simple process, but there's a couple of important details you want to keep in mind. So, the first thing you do is you go to File, Adobe PDF Presets. In general, you want to use a high quality print. High quality print will maintain good image resolution, everything will look good. Sometimes, if you're sending something directly to a press, they sometimes want press quality or they want PDFX. That means they're going to be printing right from the PDF. Sometimes, if you have a very large file, lots of images, it's creating a huge PDF file, and it's a lot to email, you might want to go to smallest file size. This can be very helpful if you're emailing proofs to people. But most of the time, you're going to use high quality print. That's what we're going to use here. So high quality print, when you select it, it assumes that you want to export it. So the name of my file is demolayout.indd. It takes the file name and just swaps out the extension to be PDF. And we save. You have a whole bunch of options here of image compression, marks and bleeds. You don't want to have any marks and bleeds on. You generally don't want to mess with this stuff at this point. So that's all good. The one thing you want in general, you do want to have view PDF after exporting on. This will, as soon as it's done, it will open the PDF so that you can see that it worked. It's a very good idea. So it takes a minute, or sometimes even a little longer, depending. And here we go. Now, what this did, this opened our PDF in Preview, which is Apple's default software for showing images, showing PDFs. We don't want to use Preview. Preview doesn't give us our full PDF functionality. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to my folder where I saved it, go to Demo Layout. If you just double click it, it will open in Preview again. You can tell it's Preview because it says Preview and it looks very Apple-y. So you hold down Control, you Control click or right click if your mouse has two buttons. Go to Open With. Don't do Preview, do Adobe Acrobat Pro. Open it in Adobe Acrobat Pro, and it gives you the option to be the default application for PDF files. That's a really good idea, to just say, yes, please do that. Now, once you're in Acrobat, you can see that all 8 pages are here. Now, there are some little issues here. One is we've lost our spreads. Our page 2 and page 3 are just all stacked on top of each other. It's also very hard to just see one page at a time. It's very hard to get it scrolled to the right place where you're just seeing one page at a time. So what I want you to do, and this I want you to do in any PDFs you make for me, and it's just a very good idea in general, it's an added benefit for any PDFs you make, is to adjust the initial view options. Now this only works within Acrobat. All right, you cannot do this within Preview, so do it within Acrobat. File Properties, you get this document properties, which is a whole bunch of properties. Go to Initial View. Your page layout should be, for a booklet like this, should be 2-up cover page, and the magnification should be fit page. and you hit OK, and you save it. File save. Now you won't see a difference because you need to close the file and open it again to see the difference. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to close the file. I'm going to open it again. It's right here in my recent files. And here's the difference. My cover page is a standalone page, but it zoomed so that the whole page is on the screen. And now if I move forward, my additional pages are in spreads. Page 2 and 3 are next to each other like I designed them, page 4 and 5, and you'll notice that it always shows the entire page in the spread. And this is true whether I'm looking at it on a 30-inch monitor or a tiny little iPhone screen. It will always show the full page. So this, and it also means you can just go through with the arrow keys. So that's how I want you to format PDFs.